Hey everyone, and welcome to Chinese Skill Unit 21. In this unit, we're going to cover some basic expressions and question words regarding a subject's location and what they're doing there, as well as introduce a few more basic time words. The vocabulary and grammar structures covered in this lesson are key foundational elements and have an extremely high usage rate in the Chinese language. So let's begin here by looking at the most basic use of the word 在. As a verb, 在 is used to introduce the location of someone or something and uses the following structure. A subject plus 在 plus a location. Here, 在 can be interpreted as saying the subject is in, at, or on said location. For example, 我在家. 我在家 means I'm at home. And we can say 爸爸在客厅 to mean dad's in the living room. 爸爸在客厅 dad's in the living room. So if you're traveling in China and a friend messages you asking where you're at, how could you simply say, I'm in China? 我在中国. 我在中国. I'm in China. Good job. Taking this one step further, 在 can also be used as a preposition, not to introduce a location of a subject, but introduce a location of an action. Still following the same basic structure from before, here we just add a verb for the action to the end, and the structure looks like this. A subject plus 在 plus a location plus a verb. Using the same basic examples from before, 我在家 means I'm at home. Now I can say what I'm doing at home. 我在家睡觉. 我在家睡觉. I'm at home sleeping. Maybe your dad is in the living room watching TV. You could say, 爸爸在客厅看电视. 爸爸在客厅看电视. Dad's in the living room watching TV. We can also use the same basic structure to answer the question, where do you work? 你在哪里工作? Here, using my workplace as the location and work, 工作 as the verb, I could say, 我在 ChineseSkill 工作. I work at ChineseSkill. So if I told you the word for school was 学校, could you tell me where 林老师, teacher Lin, works? 林老师在学校工作. 林老师在学校工作. Teacher Lin works at the school. Good job. Looking back at the question, 你在哪里工作? Where do you work? 哪里 is the question word for where, and to express where is someone or something, we use this structure. Someone or something plus 在 plus 哪里. For example, 你在哪里? Where are you? Or 我的手机在哪里? Where's my cell phone? And besides asking where people and objects are, we can also use 哪里 to help us find a location. If you're ever in China, but you're not really familiar with your surroundings, it's very important that you know how to ask where things are. For example, 地铁站在哪里? 地铁站在哪里? Where's the subway? Or 超市在哪里? Where's the supermarket? Or where's the grocery store? So if I told you 医院 means hospital, how could you ask where is the hospital? 医院在哪里? Very simple, right? 医院在哪里? Where's the hospital? Good job. The last thing I want to cover in this lesson are two new time words, 以前 and 以后. 以前 means before, and 以后 means after. To express before or after a specific time, we use this structure. A time phrase plus 以前 or 以后. For example, 7点以前 means before 7 o'clock, or 2点以后 means after 2 o'clock. And by placing a verb at the end, we can express that an action happened before or after a specific time. For example, 7点以前起床, which means to get up before 7 o'clock. And let's say you work in the evenings and you're scheduling an appointment with a technician to come to your house. You could say something like 3点以后我不在家, which means I won't be home after 3. 3点以后我不在家. So if that technician asks you, when will you be home? How could you tell him, I'll be home before 3? 3点以前我在家. 3点以前我在家. I will be home before 3. Good job. Bye bye.